How to make a Facebook post public. Making a Facebook post public is very easy and can be done by following these steps. At the top of your newsfeed or timeline, tap on What's on Your Mind. Here, you can post a status update, photos or videos, or check in someplace. Once you're done writing or selecting a picture or a video, you will see the Friends option. If I tap on it, my post will only be visible to my Facebook friends. If I want to make it public to anyone on or off Facebook, then I will tap the public option. If you tap on See More, you will find all the sharing options available. This includes custom lists. For example, if you want to share your post with everyone except some specific friends on Facebook, then you would tap this option. Here I will search and select the people who should not see the post. After that, tap on the arrow to go back. Now tap on the option to select the friends that you want to share the post with. If you want to make a post visible only to you, select Only Me. It's important to note that you can change the audience after you've written the post by tapping Edit Privacy. So even if you selected friends or restricted when posting, this can be reversed. So once this is posted, you will see that it will be visible to everyone, whether or not they have a Facebook account or are friends with you on Facebook. If this helped you, please give it a like and let us know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.